666.
On them things. Ooh-wee. Got Sway out here with the cam. Feel me? Feel me out here and shit, man. Ooh, motherfucking we. Tall Guy car reviews. And they got the red eye. Wide body red eye and shit, man. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. It's funny, we just took the Forgies off the car, man, and who do we run into? Big car reviews back there, big tall guy car reviews back there, man. He in that Ram. We got my boy Sway in that Challenger, man. We about to get off the freeway real quick so we can check out these rides real quick. Say what up, man. We pounding to Vegas right now, so, you know, who knows, we might get a race or two, but we out here, man. Guys, I am on the freeway with Tall Guy car reviews. Yes, sir. Y'all see that joint? That motherfucker went. Yes, sir. We out here. Big slide. And guys, we on our way to Vegas right now. Big slide. Ooh, Sway in that Hellcat going up. I mean that red eye. He in that red eye going up right now. We got Tall Guy. It's another Ram truck back there. But man, you know they in traffic. Sway digging through traffic and just jump. Hold up, man. We big sliding right now, y'all. Oh, that thing looks so wet on them things, man. Woo, sheesh. Look at that joint. Oh, fuck. That joint nice. Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna park over here real quick. That motherfucker hard. Ooh, we out here in the middle of the fucking desert, man. We got the fucking big joint top of the whoop, man. What's good, man? Man, coolin', man. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Man. A2.
A2?
Yeah,
nice
man.
To meet you, dog. Yeah, Sway was telling me
I fuck with him already. I already follow all y'all, man. Okay. You already know I've been fucking with y'all for a long time, man. You don't even know, bro.
I appreciate it. Was you vlogging right now?
Yeah, I be doing my YouTube and shit, man. You feel me? Out here with Tall Guy car reviews, man. My boy Sway Media. You feel me? Everything's regular, man. We out here with the motherfucking gold truck, man.
Man, I done dropped my damn phone like 5 times.
Oh, so Hellcat gonna do that?
Man, we was fun in them motherfuckers, You feel me?
I could tell from way back. Nigga knew what was up. I see him from the loop.
You feel me? We wasn't playing with that, man. You got the joint on them joints out here, man. This motherfucker, hell yeah, this motherfucker hard. It look even better in person, like way better in person, man. Hell yeah. Like the camera don't do it justice on YouTube, man. This shit killing. That shit killing. Oh my god. It's funny. I just took off my Forgies today too, man. On me, I just took them off. I sold them. I'm trying to do another project with my other Camaro, so just trying to finish that shit up. But yeah, I still got the other one. Man, so you on your way to Vegas, man? I won't give up no secrets, man.
You said what?
You on your way to Vegas, man. It's only one reason you going out there. You feel me? For the most part, man. Y'all see it on the window. I'm not gonna give no secrets, man.
That gold motherfucker put on my Hellcat.
You feel me? Everything gold around this motherfucker, man.
Yo, getting all gold on that bitch. Gold everything.
That's fresh stuff.
Hard, but
you over it or what?
Huh?
You over it or what?
No, I ain't got I'm over it. It's just the sake of YouTube.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Now you just gotta get a permit.
Just move around with the shit. It's more big than that shit, nigga. Fucking right. Appreciate you, my nigga. Already.
Bro, I'm telling you that shit. My boy Tall Guy done got me some gas and stuff, man. It's crazy. Real nigga.
Got some cheeses, man.
Nah, real nigga.
Thought you was gonna try to eat more healthy, man.
Real nigga, man.
Ain't nothing here healthy.
No, look at yeah. There's some almonds on
You ain't got no meal prep, man.
No,
You ain't got no meal prep today. And I just knew organic was like in the passenger, man.
No.
Nah.
Yeah, no, he actually doing it. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Yeah, no, he over there getting his interior done on his head.
Oh, okay, yeah, I seen that shit. I'm like, oh yeah, he going big crazy.
Oh yeah, going nuts.
That shit, wow.
You know, I gotta get my shit touched on.
Appreciate it. Oh yeah, no, I already know. You feel me? It's only a matter of time. I'm like, shit, he gonna flood the game, so you gotta do it.
No
like,
question.
you gotta do it. That shit, wow. That motherfucker is hard. Ooh. Hold on, man. All right, bro. Y'all stay up, man. All right.
Appreciate y'all supporting him, man. Keep supporting, man. She go longer than y'all ever know.
All right, man. Stay up. And y'all see it, man. $20 from my guy, Tall Guys, man. Just because, and a drink, man. Just real nigga, man. That shit is crazy. It's crazy. I knew I was gonna run into them. Him and Organic, vice versa, like sooner or later. Like, that shit wild, bro. That shit wild. Like, I can't even believe it. I done met Tall Guy Car Reviews and gotten this vlog, man. That shit is big legendary, as my boy would say it, man. So yeah, we on the way to Vegas right now. But yeah. Alrighty guys, we had to do a quick pit stop. Your boy had to take a light drizzle. But you guys see the stocks is back on the wheels, man. I mean, the stocks is back on the car. Took the Forgiatos off. We in the middle of nowhere. I'm probably a few miles ahead of Tall Guy if they haven't passed us already. But it's time to get back on the road and get it in, man. Oh, just like that, guys. We made it back. Got the other Camaro right here. Both looking good. You know how it is. So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. You seen we went to LA. Didn't even think of nothing, so I didn't film early on. But man, I came back, ended up running into my guy Tall Guy Car Reviews, man, and Sway Media on their way to Vegas, man. About to do fly stuff with that Redeye, man. About to turn that thing gold. Saudi Arabia 24 karat gold, you feel me? Everything on them joints, man. It was real cool getting to meet Tall Guy, you know, man. I've been watching him for a long time, and just on so many levels, just like, I don't know, the little stuff he say in his clips, like, you know, you may catch some stuff that'll just stick with you. And it was like, one that stuck with me was like, take that big leap of faith. Like, sometimes you just gotta take it. And that's pretty much what I did with the Camaro. You guys know I got the 2019, never had a brand new car before, so I went and did that. It's not even just watching his videos, just like, you know, getting that same energy and wanting to put something consistent out and just wanting to do better and wanting more for myself. So you guys know, I was just like, forget it, I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna just find the money. Something's gonna happen, you know? So man, you know, that's pretty much it, man. We was on our way back to Vegas, man. I called Sway. It was funny because I was driving. I'm on a 15. It's funny, I happened to just be on Instagram scrolling through the stories and stuff. Then I seen he was on the freeway on his way like out. I'm like, okay, bet. So I just happened to leave right before I looked at that video, and I'm like, okay, bet. So we on our way to Vegas, man. It'd be tight if I just seen him on the freeway. Probably 10 minutes, 5 minutes later, all I see in my rear view is the Hellcat lights, man. Them red rings. All I see, I'm like, ooh. And then you see the big truck behind it. I'm like, oh, it's game time, man. Sway hopped on the side of me, did a couple little pulls, man, but none that was really like, you know, judgment. We couldn't really judge it. We was really just having fun, man. It was cool. So, you know, he got the exhaust on there, man. I got to get some exhaust on here. My thing is super quiet. You see it in the video, it sound like it's my car that got the exhaust, but it really was his car. He was on the gas. So got to do some mods to the car here, man. Shout out my boy Tall Guy Car Review. Shout out Sway Media. Shout out everybody over there at that camp, man. I appreciate y'all, because one way or another, y'all motivated me, you know, one way or another. Organic, shout out everybody over there, man. I appreciate y'all, just like, you feel me, some of my followers appreciate me. So it is what it is. I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. We're gonna go get that Camaro all tidied up today, so stay tuned for tomorrow's video. You guys already know how it go. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.